I'm Kristen.
I'm Bri.
We also have our 1-year-old son Hudson with us, and together we are a full-time travel family. We recently quit our 9-to-5 jobs, sold everything, and started traveling the world. So we're pretty much location independent.
We're currently sitting in Chapala, Mexico. We've been driving from our hometown in Minnesota down to Mexico for the last 3 months. This video is actually about where we lived for 2 months, San Miguel de Allende.
We, of course, didn't think to start filming it until the second to last day we were there. So this is sort of a brief video.
But we've got a lot of information on San Miguel linked down below. Our blog, lostandjourney.com. We keep up to date there and on Facebook and Instagram if you'd like to follow us.
Yeah, so enjoy. Thanks for watching. Here we are in the beautiful Jardín El Centro. How you doing back there, little man? How you doing? Here we are in yet another gorgeous jardín or garden. I swear these are like every 5 blocks. Yeah, Bri's here too, although he's very camera shy. Next, we're gonna go to the Ramirez Market and show you where we get all of our produce and cheese pretty much every other day. This is our favorite produce lady. Say hola. Hola. We're walking through the artisan market right now. We've visited this several times. It's super fun. Tons of good jewelry that my husband won't let me buy. Beautiful rooftops. You see all of those? It's so fun. We also have a dog that I forgot to introduce you to. Her name is Pooh. Pooh Pooh. She looks like a puppy, but she's actually old and crotchety. She's 12. We're having a legitimate power outage, our first so far in Mexico, and we don't know why. Good morning. So we managed to survive 24 hours without electricity, which, by the way, here means no water pressure. So that was fun, but they managed to get it back on, and now we're packing to get ready to go to Chapala tomorrow. Hudson's helping me unpack everything that I've already packed. Bri has just packed up pretty much everything we own into our little Mazda, and we're about to take off for Chapala. Super fun. That's all for San Miguel. Join us next time as we explore Chapala. Thanks for watching.